This is cabin 9064. This is an accessible balcony cabin. So let's take a look as we come in. Again, as you see, nice wide entry. If you need to with your party, this particular stateroom is connecting so that door can open and you can share space with the other cabin. As you continue to come in, we'll do the bathroom last here, but here's your cabinets or your closets. Okay, both of these come down with just a handle pull, so you can access that. Your hanging stuff if you are in a chair. Shelves, and some cubbies down there. Across from the bed, you have a desk area, mini bar, your TV, phone, power, 2 European, 2 US, 2 USB, and a little stool. Okay, if you need a hairdryer, it's already in there. Across from this is your bed. It is 2 twins put together that make a king, or you can separate them to have 2 twins. On this side is a panic button, a little red button right there, which is also the same side of the USB plug, is the only side that has power.
There is a little bit of a slope.
It's a little bit of a ramp
here.
because then you don't have to step up. Okay?
Yes.
But there is a little bit of a ramp in this particular cabin. But on this side, nice sitting area, Lisa.
Yeah,
actually on both sides. Okay, so let's show you how this works. If I remember correctly, you just press that button right there. I'm holding it. It's going to open it all the way, and then that ramp's going to flip down. All right, isn't that nice? But look at the size of this balcony, guys. This is crazy. It is a nice balcony.
Yes.
Okay, so if you need an accessible cabin and you want a balcony, you are getting one heck of a balcony. This balcony is bigger than the Grand Suite.
It is.
Yeah. All right.
Plenty of room to move around.
So let's go look at the bathroom. It is 0 clearance. All right, so meaning you roll right in. Okay, there's a bench. That's what the bench looks like when it's down, but there's grab bars to help you transfer in. There's also emergency pull in here. Okay, grab bars again for the toilet as well. There's a panic button by the toilet as well as, excuse me, there's a panic button by the toilet as well. Speak, Robert. The sink you can roll up to as well. There's soap dispenser, power, kind of a wraparound mirror on here on the side, couple shelves. Yeah, nice. And I believe this goes up and down as well, so you can get the chair in there nice and tight. So there you go. Here's your accessibility balcony cabin. Accessible balcony cabin. Okay.